We often think of recycling as a way to turn plastic bottles into fleece jackets or aluminum cans into new soda containers. But what happens to the massive structural bones of our cities when a building is finally torn down? Steel beams are among the strongest and most durable materials ever created by human hands. Because steel does not lose its properties when melted down and reshaped, it can live 1,000 different lives. Today we are looking at 5 surprising products that began their journey as heavy structural steel beams. First on our list is high-end industrial furniture. Designers have discovered that the raw, weathered aesthetic of old steel beams provides a perfect foundation for modern living. Instead of melting the steel down, some artisans choose to preserve the original shape and patina of the beams. They slice them into sections to create legs for massive dining tables, or weld them together to form minimalist benches that can last for centuries. These pieces carry the history of the buildings they once supported, bringing a sense of urban strength directly into the home. Moving from the living room to the art gallery, recycled steel beams are a favorite medium for large-scale sculptures and public art installations. Because structural steel is designed to withstand immense pressure and weight, it allows artists to create gravity-defying shapes that would be impossible with other materials. Many of the abstract monuments you see in city parks or corporate plazas were once the hidden skeletons of warehouses or bridges. By repurposing these beams, artists turn cold industrial waste into emotional landmarks. You might be surprised to find that the heavy beam from a construction site can end up in your kitchen as a professional-grade knife. While not all structural steel is suitable for blades, certain types of high-quality beams are being reclaimed by master blacksmiths. Through a process of folding and forging, the impurities are removed, and the carbon content is managed to create steel that is incredibly sharp and resilient. There is something poetic about a piece of metal that once held up a roof now being used to slice a tomato with surgical precision. In the world of luxury fashion, recycled steel is making a bold statement through high-end watch cases. Some boutique watchmakers specialize in sourcing steel from historic structures such as famous bridges or legendary ships. By machining down these massive beams into tiny, intricate components, they create timepieces that are literally made of history. These watches are prized not just for their mechanical excellence, but for the story embedded in the very metal on your wrist. Finally, we look at the future of housing. Recycled steel beams are being used to create the frames for prefabricated modular homes and tiny houses. Using reclaimed steel is often more sustainable and cost-effective than sourcing new timber or fresh steel. These homes are fire-resistant, termite-proof, and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions. It is a full-circle moment where the steel from an old building is reborn to provide shelter for a new generation. Steel is the ultimate survivor of the industrial world. Whether it is supporting a skyscraper or being worn as a piece of jewelry, its journey is a testament to the power of circular design. The next time you walk past a construction site, look at those orange rusted beams and wonder what they might become next. Continue with the shown playlist. See you.